Hi, Dominic here from Bliz. I'd like to present the BLIZ Edge, available for normal size faces and the smallest of faces. Now these have been designed primarily for skiing, but they're also a brilliant choice for other demanding winter sports where function and comfort are a must. I will be going through the technical properties and also showing you how easy it is to change the lens and to adjust the goggles for the best possible fit while you're skiing. Also that you can focus on your performance in safety and with confidence.
Single or double lens in unbreakable XPC polycarbonate with 100% UV protection. Anti-fog treated inner lens in acetate. Frame ventilation for better internal air circulation. 3 layers of foam on the inside for a soft and comfortable facial fit. Flexible side clips allow goggles to adapt to fit helmet. Silicone on straps inside. To adjust the band, grip the ends while pulling them away from each other until you achieve the perfect size. Grip the frame's top edge with one hand. Firmly take hold of the lens with the other hand while you bend the lens away from the frame until they come free. To attach the new lens, you start by inserting the lens at the nose pad in the middle. Work your way around the entire frame until the lens is fully in place. Finally, check the lens to ensure that it's completely fastened before you use the glasses.
Thanks very much for watching. Do please follow us through social media, or why not surf into bliz.com and find out more about our unique range of models and colours. Until then, take care of yourselves and remember, stay safe.